friends, last period we see the two characteristics of sound. These are pitch and quality or timbre. In this period we have to see the third characteristic, that is loudness. Loudness is the characteristics by virtue of which we distinguish two sound notes which having same frequency. That means we distinguish two sound notes having same frequency, and that characteristics is called as the loudness, as the loudness depends upon the intensity of vibration of the sound waves. Loudness depends upon the intensity of the vibration of the sound waves, as the energy or intensity of vibration of the particle depends upon the square of or directly proportional to the square of amplitude and frequency, that is E is directly proportional to A square N square, that is energy or the intensity of sound waves is directly proportional to square of the amplitude and square of the frequency. That means at a given frequency, म्हणजे दिलेल्या फ्रिक्वेन्सीला the intensity or energy of the sound waves is directly proportional to square of the amplitudes. From this equation it is clear that the intensity will be goes on increasing as the amplitude of vibration goes on increasing, or if the amplitude of vibration is decreases, the intensity will be goes on decreases, that is loudness goes on decreasing. That is amplitude of the vibration of the sound waves is increased, then loudness also increases, and if amplitude is decreased, then the loudness is also goes on decreasing. That means when the distance, as the distance between source and sound is increases, source of sound and observer is increases, the loudness will be decreases. As the sound waves propagates to the medium, it depends upon the following factors. Number, density of air. Second, the loudness will be depends upon the direction of wind and velocity. Direction of wind and its velocity. Third, as distance is increased, then loudness will be goes on decreasing. Fourth, the loudness will be increased by using resonators or by using the box. Now we have to see the next point, that is musical instruments. As we know that the audible sound originate in vibrating strings. Second, it will be produced by vibrating air columns, and also the sound will be originate from by vibrating plates or membranes. Accordingly, these musical instruments are of three types. That means number one, stringed instruments, stringed musical instruments, wind musical instruments, and third, percussion musical instruments. Now the stringed music. Now first we have to see the stringed instruments and their types. The stringed instrument consists of the stretched string, which is it consists of the stretched string, and the sound is produced by plucking that string. And these stringed instruments are of three types. As we see, the stringed instrument consists of the stretched string, and the string is plucked. The string is sounded by plucking it. The string is tuned at a suitable frequency by plucking it. These stringed instruments are of three types: plucked string type instrument, bowed string type instrument, and struck string type instrument. In plucked string type instrument, the string is plucked by using fingers. Means in this plucked string type of instrument, the string is plucked by using fingers, and these musical instruments are sitar, guitar, veena, etc. That is, string is plucked with fingers, and its examples are sitar, guitar, veena, etc. The second type of stringed instrument is bowed string type instrument. In these instruments, the string is vibrated by bowing. For example, violin, sarangi. The third instrument is that struck string type instrument. In this instrument, the string is struck by using stick. स्टिकच्या साहाय्याने आपण स्ट्रक करून हे स्ट्रिंग हे इंस्ट्रुमेंट ठिकाणी ट्यून करू शकतो. And for example, struck string instrument are santoor and piano, etc. The second type of the musical instrument is wind instruments. These wind instruments consist of an air columns, and the sound is produced by vibrating these air columns. Means wind instrument consist of air columns, and these air columns set into vibration, and the sound is produced. These wind instruments are also of three types. That is, first, free wind type of instrument, edge type of instrument, and reed pipes type of instrument. The first type, free wind type of instrument, consists of free brass reeds which are vibrated by air. Means this free wind type of instrument consists of free brass reeds which are vibrated by air. In this case, the air is either blown or compressed. The air is either blown or compressed, and the example of free wind type of instruments are mouth organs or harmonium. These are the free wind type of instrument. The second is edge type of instruments. This edge type of instrument consists of the air. In this instrument, the air is blown against edge. The air is blown against edge, and the example of this instrument is flute. The third type of wind instrument is reed pipes. These reed pipes instrument consist of single or double reeds, or these instruments are also without any reeds. Means these reed pipes of instrument consist of single or double reeds, or the instruments are without reeds. And for example, saxophone, clarinet, etc. In this case, there is the third type of musical instrument, that is percussion instruments. In this type of instruments, the sound is produced by vibrating the stretched membrane or plates. That means in percussion instrument, the sound is produced by setting the vibrations of stretched membranes or plates. And example of these percussion instruments are tabla, drum, dholak, etc.